today's video I will be creating this office makeup look without using foundation or concealer, and the office makeup look that you can create under 10 minutes. Yes, so like I have used very minimum products, so if you want to watch, like, know how I created this look, so please continue watching, and I'm sure by the end of the video, like, you will know how to create a very simple beginners friendly makeup look for your office. Hi guys, welcome to my channel. My name is Tanvi and I create content related to fashion, beauty and makeup. So if you want to like get some good tips on skincare, hair care or makeup, and if you want to see lots of hauls, so please follow my channel and follow me on Instagram as well. Subscribe to my channel. So there is a button right down below. Click on the subscribe button and there is a bell button right next to it. So click on it so that every time I post a video, you guys get a notification. Let's jump right into the video without wasting any more time. So generally what I do, I use a BB cream. So this is Garnier's BB cream and I absolutely love this cream. So this works wonderfully for me. It stays for full days without caking up or darkening my face at all. And my shade is medium. So I am using medium shade in this one. So I will open and take very little bit. Let me show you. See this tiny bit I am taking. So I don't want, and I will take my damp. Start putting it. I will take and dab the beauty blender and bounce the product on my skin. It's just a BB cream, so it's not giving me full coverage, and like my acne and spots are not getting covered, but still I am getting a very, even tone. So that is my purpose, because I don't want to look like that I am dolled up and it's like summers, I will be sweating, so I don't want to melt my makeup and all. So yes, whatever you have, and like take it little bit on your neck as well. So guys, my next step is to use a setting powder. Like this is the main step of this look, because like if we are putting something and we are stepping out and we are full day in office and we are out, so you want to set your makeup. I will start. I'm using Maybelline Fit Me. My shade is medium Moyen. So yes, will like set my face. You want your makeup to budge, and if you are not setting up your face, then the makeup will start slipping off, and you don't want that, because you are out, and like once you are in office, it's not, it's not what you say possible to do touch up every time, and like you just stepped out for a walk and everything, and then you are sweating and there is a like lines of makeup. You don't want that, trust me. And then coming on to the eyes, I like to keep it like this only. I don't apply any eyeshadow, I don't fill in my brows, because like I want to keep it very natural, because I want to apply very minimum makeup. And like what the things I am doing, it might like take me 15-20 minutes to show you, but it will take only 5 minutes for you to do all these steps. My next step is eyeliner. The people who know me, they know that I love applying eyeliners and I cannot step out of my house without applying eyeliner. Again, like I'm saying, everything is your personal choice. And for the eyeliner I am using, so for eyeliner I am using Lakme's eyeliner. Like Lakme they create absolute amazing eyeliners. If you have not tried their eyeliners, like I will definitely suggest you to try this one. This is Lakme Absolute Shine Line. So like this is black in color, and the most amazing thing about this eyeliner is the wand. Can you see how thin it is? Like for a beginner, it's like a absolute like perfect, and it's cost effective also, like cost friendly also, sorry. So it's not that costly, it will not attack your pocket. And like if you are trying and like experimenting with the looks, and if you are new to applying eyeliners and all, then this will like come in very handy for you. So I will start. This is so easy to apply, guys. You guys see how perfect my eyeliner is looking? Moving on to the mascara, again Maybelline, my favorite. So I will definitely apply mascara, like in any go, any look. I will not skip mascara. Again, one more important thing, if I am doing my office makeup, or if I'm like creating a office makeup look for like my office, so I tend to go for the like my absolute favorite go-to products that I know will not fail me, because I am stepping out of my house and I know like these products will not fail me at all. And I like, if I am using, like for example, I'm using this kajal, so I know it will not smudge on me, it will work perfectly fine. Instead of, after like checking my face for after like 4 or 5 hours, and I'm saying like my eyes are smudged and I'm looking so dark and all, so it will not look fine. So I'm coming on to the like blush, because I like to, because I want my cheeks to look flushed and like beautiful, because it's looks very nice when you are wearing a like good amount of blush. I love my blushes, so I'm using Sugars. The shade is 02 Pink Pinnacle. I'll take little, see, and I will apply it very little on my face. I will not go on board because it's a daytime look, huh? So in a daytime makeup look, you don't want to overdo anything. So just that's it, and like I am good to go. I'm using a little angled brush because that's the way I like to use it, because I use one blush only. I'm not bronzing or contouring, because like I take one brush, I bronze, I contour, I blush, I do everything with one single brush only, sorry. So if you want to see how I create my makeup look using one or two brush, like just few brushes, then let me know. Even one brush also, let me know. I will do one for you. I know that we all are wearing masks and like lips to chup hi jate hain, you are not able to see lipstick, but for my own sanity, and I love wearing lipstick, so I just cannot skip this tip. I don't know why. And I started using this brand recently, Seven Heavens. So I absolutely love the formula of the lipsticks that are there. Like they are perfect, creamy, matte, and like lasting till the time I wanted, because like it's not that long lasting, but yes. And like I am keeping it very simple, so like sometimes I want to, like I mix two lip shades. Mostly I apply a little bit darker shade, like as you guys can see. So I will apply it. And as this is looking like bit dark for the daytime look, so what I do, I top it up with a nude lipstick. For the nude, I am using L18 Nude Fix. Yes, and I use this shade in another one of my videos as well, and I created a haul as well, I believe, where I showed this lipstick. I recently bought it and it has become one of my favorites, because like the shade is perfect. Can you guys see? So yes, we'll apply it. So it has like subtle down, like sobered up the like bright red color, and again still red is there and all. So but I like this burnt orange look. I don't know why, and I like mixing up my lipstick, because as I said, lipsticks are best. And yeah, with this, like my makeup look is complete. I like to carry like these kind of small earrings, like because like they are not too heavy, and still I love to wear earrings, so you guys know. So I will put on the earrings. Like these are small, they look pretty, not too much. At the same time, you are looking presentable without going like on someone's face. So this is it, guys. This is my office makeup look without using foundation or concealer, and the office makeup look that you can create in 10 minutes. So yes, it might have taken me a little bit long because I was talking a lot in between. So yeah, I absolutely love, and this is the minimalistic products that I use. Like I used only 4-5 products and I'm good to go, because I don't want to look caked up. And also let me know what do you think about this look, and what do you think about this process, and like let me know if like you have something in in your mind, so you want me to create the videos on. And yes, subscribe to my channel, like, comment and share my video. So thank you so much for watching. Bye, take care.